2002 GMC Sierra, removal of the spare tire without the tools. Back bumper, take your ignition key, turn it to the right, pull out that little lock. You're going to want to go underneath. Obviously, I have my tire removed already. You're going to want to bust this mechanism apart however you do it. There's a couple spaces to kind of get in there and get a crowbar or get something to hammer it out. So I got this broken off and removed. And then that's the hole coming from the back bumper. I ended up needing a 20-inch extension and a 1/2-inch deep socket before you start taking it out or unscrewing it. Send it through there, lay underneath the vehicle, and just kind of look through the holes in the rim to line up. There will be going through a hole in the frame. Line it up. Let's see. You can kind of lay in there and use your other hand or have somebody else. But get it on there and then hammer it a couple times from the outside to get it well seated. And then start cranking it out. And then this cable system will start dropping down. But I tried a 13 millimeter. I tried a 12 millimeter, and none of them worked. I had to use the 1/2 inch and hammer it in there. 9/16 was too big. So yeah, I was finally able to drop down and lost a little bit of weight. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully that helps you guys out.